You're awesome, Griff.
Yeah, I know. Got an awesome runner too.
Okay, come back, awesome runner. An awesome tugger.
I can tug so fast I can run.
She wants to tug with you.
Tug! Yay! She wins! Good girl. I'm taking off. I'm going to bed.
Put it low, honey, or you'll get bit.
Did you see those tricks I was doing?
I saw your
You
tricks.
dropped me
Yes.
off his bed. I want those nice.
You know what? Rosie wants you to throw her ball, Griff. She brought you her ball. Look.
I'm trying to reach an apple.
Look who brought you a pink
I'm
ball.
hungry.
Well, you
I'm
only
gonna
have
go
eyes
get
for
a
Tricky, huh?
snack
Okay, you go
from
get a
the-
snack.